Welcome to the channel. How to get coal in Palworld. There are several ways you can get coal in Palworld. Press tab, go to technology, type coal, and search, and you will find coal mining site. It needs 70 stone, 100 coal, and 30 palladium fragment to build. So let's build it. Press B. This is coal mine. Place it, build it, and then assign a pal. It will mine coal, but you need a higher level to unlock coal mining site. So alternatively, you can get the coal by going to the area near Anubis. So let's go there. This is the area. So I'll fast travel here. To survive in this area, you need a good heat resistant armor. I have lightweight hexolite armor and multi-climate undershirt +2 level. So from here, I will use Jetragon to proceed to that area. Coal is scattered around here. See this dark stone? This is coal. Use a metal or refined metal pickaxe to mine coal nodes efficiently. I have Pal Metal Pickaxe. And I've got 250 coal. Alternatively, you can get dig toys. Here is the dig toys. Let's capture it. Now you can use this pal to mine coal. So here are coal nodes. There is a lot. This is coal node. Here we have coal nodes. This is coal node. Let's proceed there and deploy dig toys here. And dig toys can mine coal for you. Reassign it to another coal node. Repeat the process to get the coal efficiently. So this is how you can get the coal and farm coal in Palworld. Okay, if you found this guide helpful, please do a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.